Picture this. The year is 2021, and crypto investors are watching in awe as their investments skyrocket to unimaginable heights. Now, fast forward to 2024, and guess what? You have the chance to be part of the next big crypto gold rush. Greetings, pioneers of the digital age. I'm Alex, your beacon in the ever-expanding universe of cryptocurrency. In today's voyage, we delve into one of the most exhilarating phenomena in the financial world, the crypto bull run. It's not just a trend, it's a tidal wave of opportunity that has the power to redefine wealth as we know it. But what exactly is a crypto bull run? Picture this. The market is buzzing. The prices of cryptocurrencies are soaring higher than a rocket, and the energy is infectious. It's a period when investor confidence skyrockets, pushing the value of digital currencies to unprecedented heights. This isn't fantasy, it's the reality of what happens when the conditions align in the crypto cosmos. And why should you care? Because understanding the dynamics of a bull run, recognizing its signs, and knowing how to strategically position yourself can be the difference between watching from the sidelines and catapulting your financial future into a new dimension. The 2021 bull run was just a preview, a sneak peek into the potential that lies within the crypto markets. And as we look toward 2024, the stage is set for an encore that could dwarf everything we've seen before. But here's the kicker. With great opportunity comes great volatility. The crypto market is a wild beast, unpredictable and full of surprises. A bull run, while lucrative, tests the mettle of every investor, from the seasoned trader to the curious newbie venturing into the digital gold rush for the first time. Now, imagine you're on this rocket ship called Crypto Bull Run. It's thrilling. The views are spectacular, but it's also unpredictable. Turbulence is part of the journey. Let's dive into the challenges that every astronaut investor faces when navigating through the cosmic gains of a bull run. First and foremost is the beast known as volatility. Crypto markets can swing from euphoric highs to heart-stopping lows in the blink of an eye. This volatility isn't just a number, it's a roller coaster of emotions, testing your resolve, patience, and strategy at every turn. And then there's the infamous FOMO, fear of missing out. It's like a siren song, luring investors to jump in at possibly the worst times, driven by stories of overnight millionaires and the dread of being left behind. FOMO can cloud judgment, leading to rash decisions that diverge from a well-thought-out investment plan. Market timing is another colossal challenge. Trying to predict the peaks and troughs of a bull run is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. Many attempt it, but few succeed. The risk? Buying high and selling low, the exact opposite of profitable investing. Information overload is real. In the age of the internet, there's a deluge of advice, tips, and so-called secrets. Sorting through this digital noise to find reliable, actionable insights is no small feat. It requires discernment and the ability to distinguish between hype and genuine opportunity. Lastly, the regulatory landscape is ever-shifting. New rules can emerge, transforming the playing field overnight. Staying informed and agile is crucial, as what worked yesterday may not fly tomorrow. These challenges might seem daunting, a gauntlet thrown down by the universe, but fear not. For every problem, there's a strategy, a way to navigate through the storm and emerge into the starlight. Next up, we'll explore the tactics that can turn these challenges into stepping stones for success. So, we've stared down the barrel of the challenges. Now it's time to arm ourselves with the strategies and tactics that can help us not just survive, but thrive in the next crypto bull run. This is where the real adventure begins. Here are some of the best strategies you can implement in this upcoming bull market. HODLING, the art of patience. First up, let's talk about HODLING. It's not a typo, it's a strategy. Born from a misspelled forum post, it has become the mantra for those who believe in the long-term potential of their crypto investments. It evolved into hang on for dear life. HODLING encourages people to not impulsively sell when a cryptocurrency drops dramatically or rises to become highly profitable to sell. HODLING is about weathering the volatility, holding on to your investments through the ups and downs, believing in the bigger picture. It's patience turned into an art form. Trading, timing the tides. For the more adventurous, there's trading. This isn't for the faint-hearted. It's about reading the market's tea leaves, buying low and selling high. It requires a keen eye on market trends, a good understanding of crypto economics, and yes, a bit of courage. But remember, with high potential rewards come high risks. It's like surfing the giant waves of the crypto ocean. Implement DCA with profit taking. Blending dollar cost averaging, DCA, with a strategic profit taking plan offers a disciplined way to build and protect your investments. Consistent investment reduces volatility's impact, while predetermined profit-taking points ensure gains are realized and reinvested wisely. This strategy balances growth with risk management, optimizing your portfolio's performance over time. Diversification, the safety net. Diversification is your safety net. It's about not putting all your crypto eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies, you're mitigating risk. Maintaining a balanced portfolio between Bitcoin and carefully selected altcoins is critical. This approach helps in spreading risk and leveraging the growth potential across various market segments. Altcoins can provide high returns, but Bitcoin acts as an anchor, offering stability in volatile markets. Some might soar, others might stumble, but overall, your portfolio has the potential to grow more steadily. Think of it as having multiple rockets. If one fails to launch, you have others ready to take off. Invest in DeFi and emerging projects. The DeFi space, brimming with innovation, presents significant opportunities. Investing in emerging projects within DeFi and other promising sectors requires diligent research to uncover gems with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Early involvement in such projects can lead to substantial rewards. Launchpad tokens. Focus on Launchpad tokens to gain early access to promising crypto projects vetted by reputable platforms. This strategy leverages the potential of new innovations before they reach the broader market, often resulting in considerable gains as these projects develop and gain recognition. The golden strategy for 2024. Now for the golden strategy for the next bull run. It's not just one of these tactics, but a blend. The key? Being informed. The most successful investors arm themselves with knowledge. They stay updated on market trends, regulatory changes, and the technological advancements driving the crypto world. They use HODLING, trading, and diversification not as separate paths, but as parts of a well-orchestrated strategy. I can't emphasize enough to educate yourself, stay informed, and do your own research. The cornerstone of any successful investment strategy is a commitment to ongoing education and comprehensive research. Merging the ethos of DOR with the habit of staying informed empowers investors to make decisions based on a deep understanding of market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory dynamics. Engage with reputable news sources, in-depth analyses, and community discussions to form a well-rounded view. This proactive approach ensures that you are not just following trends, but are making informed, strategic decisions that align with your investment goals. At the heart of every winning strategy is a deep understanding of the market's dynamics. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, with prices influenced by myriad factors ranging from regulatory news to technological advancements and market sentiment. A keen eye on the latest news can provide valuable insights. For example, the Internet Computer's price surge by 22% amidst a trading volume increase of 125%. Showcases how market sentiment and technological advancements can impact prices significantly. Internet Computer price prediction as ICP surges 22%. And experts say, consider this Bitcoin derivative for 100x gains. Also, let's not forget about the power of community. Engaging with other crypto enthusiasts, sharing insights, and learning from others' experiences can provide invaluable perspectives that no amount of solo research can match. To sum it up, making it big in the next crypto bull run comes down to more than just luck. It's about understanding the market, managing your emotions, and employing strategies like HODLING, trading, and diversification, with a special emphasis on being well-informed for smart trading decisions. Remember, the crypto market waits for no one, and while the bull run offers vast opportunities, it demands respect and careful planning. The key to wealth in this digital frontier: knowledge, strategy, and a cool head. Ready to conquer the crypto world and make the most of the next bull run? Subscribe for more insider tips and strategies that could set you on the path to riches. Got your own crypto success story or strategy? Drop it in the comments below. Together, let's navigate the highs and lows of cryptocurrency investing. This is Alex, signing off. Keep researching, keep strategizing, and most importantly, keep believing in the power of crypto to change your financial future. Until next time, stay savvy, stay bullish.